Why is the golden roof of the Forbidden City bird-free? Legend says birds' feet burned on hot roof. Is this true? Actually, it's because when the Forbidden City was constructed, ancients considered the wall top and eaves. If birds stop, there are droppings. Affects beauty of red walls and glazed tiles. Also affects royal dignity. Also creates kind called eagle doesn't fall from top of wall. Based on fingertip distance of birds. Calculate slope and radians of tile. Ensure fog-proof tile has slope. Bird can't be caught. Not suitable for birds to stand for long. Avoid prolonged perching. Over time, birds will not stay again. There's another legend. This tile is toxic. What is happening here? Let's talk again later. Follow me to learn more about the Forbidden City stories.